Phipps Bird offers competitively priced, comprehensive manufacturing services and a premium level of customer service, while proudly maintaining the principles we established in 1925: integrity, quality, and value. Our CNC capabilities include machining, turning, and sheet metal fabrication, electronics, powder coating, final assembly, packaging, and distribution round out the turnkey services we offer. Richmond, Virginia-based Phipps Bird is an FDA and CCR-registered, woman-owned small business operating to a qualified quality program and producing to ISO, CE, UL, and FDA standards. We want to be your manufacturer of choice for individual parts or complete products. Visit our website to learn more.